Now we're gonna look at this here, question 3 part B. Evaluate the following indefinite integral using the substitution u equals 2x cubed plus 5. Right, so there we have a big hint there, right? U equals 2x cubed plus 5. Just gonna change color here. Right, so u equals 2x cubed plus 5. So we need to get du dx. So we differentiate that there with respect to x. So the 3 comes down, gets multiplied by the 2. We get 6x. The power drops by 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2, 6x squared. And when you differentiate the constant, it just goes to 0. So that's du dx. Okay. So, let's see if I can remember this without looking at the notes. Now we can do something like, if you shuffle these around here somehow or another, right? So we have du dx equals this, and du then, du would equal, we multiply both sides by dx, and we get du equals 6x squared dx. And you can see this all looks very familiar here. You see this 3x squared and the dx. So that we could write that as 2 multiplied by 3x squared dx. So that would be our du. And 3x squared dx that's it up there, right? So this is going to be u. So this bit here is u. And 3x squared dx, well, that's simply going to be half. So we can say we can divide both sides by 2, and we get the u over 2 equals 3x squared dx. So looking at this structure up here, we can rewrite this guy here. Well, first of all, we could write it as, we could shuffle things around a bit just to make it more straightforward. So we have 2x cubed plus 5. That's in a bracket. And then I can write the 3x squared here. It doesn't matter about the order because it's multiplication times dx. And now we can write that as u, and this 3x squared here is going to be du over 2. The 2 can be shifted out completely because this is the same as, it's the same as u over 2 times du, which is the same as a half times the integral of u du. And if we're integrating u du, I'm just going to go back up to the top here. I switch to blue just to make it more clear, right? Just continuing on here. That's equal to half times u squared over 2, integrating with respect to u. Alright, and again we can bring out this 2 underneath. And we're going to have 1, the 2's multiplied, you get 1 over 4 multiplied by u squared. So now we can sub back in what u is. This is u, remember from the start. So we have 1/4 outside of 2x cubed plus 5, all to be squared because it's u squared. And don't forget our constant of integration, plus c. Stick that on at the end. And I think that's a reasonable answer there.